gentle mind, with patient words and caring ways, you brighten up our learning days. Teachers, hearts of gold, your stories and your lessons told. Plant the seeds that help us grow, more than you could ever know. Spark in every child, make learning fun and drive us wild. Your curiosity and thought, the battles that you bravely fought. Not just the facts from the books you teach, but how to dream and how to reach. You build our confidence and pride. With you we got nothing to wait. Teachers, hearts so true, we celebrate the work you do. You shape the future, mind and soul. You make our broken pieces whole. With your gentle mind, with patient words and caring ways, you brighten up our learning days. Oh, teachers, hearts of gold, your stories and your lessons told. Plant the seeds that help us grow, more than you could ever know. You see the spark in every child, make learning fun